Alright guys, this is going to be day 56. Sorry for not posting last night. I got pretty tired, but I think I'm going to have to, I think I'm just going to be doing mostly leak code for right now. It's not because I don't want to actually do leak code, but our school is trying to do this competitive coding competition thing this semester that I've mentioned multiple times, and it's looking like I'm probably going to have to be one of the people that are at least somewhat half decent. So as much as I want to build projects with like boot.dev and stuff, it's just that right now I haven't gotten back to it since the last video, between the 5 classes I'm taking, homework and stuff, and studying leak code with my teammates, that I haven't gotten back to this. So yeah, this might be something that just has to wait until the end of this semester, unfortunately. I don't know, but yeah, we're just going to do a couple of leak code problems in this video. I know it's not the most efficient thing, but I think it's the thing I kind of have to do right now. Saw this problem a long time ago. I don't know if I'll be able to solve it now, but in an array of strings, group all anagrams together into sublists. You may turn the output in any order. Anagram is a string that contains the exact same characters as another string. The order of the characters can be different. An array of strings group all anagrams together into sublists and return the output in any order. Anagram is a string that contains the exact same characters as another string. Where the characters can be different. So act and cat would be an anagram. Okay, so an anagram is just a I'm not sure what this is here for. Anagram is just a sorted word, right? Could we have like a dictionary of lists and like put the sorted version here, and every word that sorts that version we just append it to its list? I think that would work, right? So it would hit ACT, so at ACT, I'm going to go like, what's the sorted version of that? I think it would actually just be ACT. They would add that to the dictionary and add the word itself, ACT, to its list. Then we got to cat, we would do the same thing. Yeah, we return all the lists by going, let's see, so for word in strings, it said D according to sorted word. I want to append to its list the word itself. Then we're going to store a string in Python. Yeah, it is sorted. Okay. Oh, it returns a sorted list, so you need to join it. This is definitely not the correct solution. I'm almost positive. Let's just print out D and see what even happens here if it works. Okay, yeah, it looks correct. So now we need to get each list in its final list. For key in D. Final list append D according to key. Turn the final list. Print the final list as well just to see what it is. Okay, I got these two test cases correct somehow, but okay, can I add another test case? What about this test case? Where it's just an empty string. What is this output? It's also correct. Okay, maybe this is actually the correct answer. It is actually the correct answer. Okay, so I'm not sure if that's actually the optimal solution. Okay, they also use a hash table here. They do it a little bit differently. They use, what is this? Zero times 26. So is this just gonna be 26 zeros? Yeah, so it's 26 zeros. Say for C and S to every character. Or to C minus or to A plus equals 1. think this gets the ASCII value, right? I think. Yeah, returns the integer. So I think they're just getting the count of characters. Or something like A would have they're getting, okay. So like A would be 0. So the 0 index would get raised to 1. Then the C index would get raised. Then they're getting a tuple of the count. So change this entire list into a tuple and appending S to it. Okay, so yeah, they're doing the same thing I'm doing, just using the count of the characters instead of using the actual sorted word. So it's similar solutions, and this is actually a lot better than what I'm doing. Just returning the list of the dictionary's values, which is way better than creating another loop. We could just do d.values. We don't need this code or this. I guess we could leave it just for. Okay. So I managed to. I think I have solved this one a long time ago, but it was a while ago. Yeah, I just solved on LeetCode. See if it works on here. It does indeed. Okay. So there you go. Alright, yeah, pretty short video today. We have our first contest for the competitive coding thing today, so that's happening in a couple hours. Got to go get ready for that, but yeah, I think I'll just be doing LeetCode for a while. I don't know, unless I get more free time in my hands. I don't like being split between two different things, trying to do both LeetCode and the boot.dev course. It's really, I guess it's kind of overwhelming and annoying, but yeah, I feel I'm going to focus on LeetCode for right now and get back to boot.dev after I graduate, I guess. I don't know, or when this competition thing is over. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you all in the next one.